Nigeria has joined the rest of the world in commemorating World Environment Day with a renewed commitment to combat plastic pollution. The event featured a national awareness campaign spearheaded by the United Nations agencies in collaboration with environmental groups and private sector stakeholders. The campaign aims to promote sustainable practices and innovative solutions to reduce plastic waste, aligning with the global theme of the environmental preservation. Here's the report. The 2025 World Environmental Day marked another urgent call to action, this time on the theme, Ending Plastic Pollution. In Nigeria, the United Nations system, including UNIDO, UNDP, UNIC and others, are partnering with the Nigerian Environmental Society and civil society groups to raise awareness and drive sustainable change. From public campaigns to panel discussions, the initiative seeks to spotlight innovations tackling the growing menace of plastic waste, which continues to threaten ecosystems, livelihoods, and public health. Mohammed Malik Fall, UN Resident and Humanitarian Coordinator in Nigeria, emphasized the role of the United Nations in transforming waste challenges into economic opportunities. Agencies like UNDP are strengthening waste management system, while UNIDO and ILO are backing eco-friendly innovations and green job creation.
The United Nations is supporting Nigeria to transform this challenge into a pathway for sustainable growth and green job creation. UNDP is strengthening national and state-level waste management system and promoting circular economy model. UNIDO is investing in eco-friendly industrial solutions. The ILO is investing in green job and waste recoveries. UNIC, along partners like Green Hub Africa and the Nigeria Environment Society, is increasing awareness through advocacy. And the broader UN family is supporting national strategies aligned with SDG 12 on responsible consumption and production and SDG 13 on climate action. Globally, the United Nations is advancing change through the UN Environment Programme beats plastic pollution.
Experts at the event, including President of the Nigerian Environmental Society, Dr. Okobia, stressed the urgent need for structural reforms and community-level action in managing plastic waste.
Waste management is a crisis, and it must start from us, me and you. But there's a gap between the segregation at home and the collection and disposal, and that is where the challenge is. So if we must put a stop to plastic pollution, we must look at the chain and see where the gaps are. The private sector must be given a role, strategic role to play in the issue of waste management in Nigeria. The government cannot do it alone. And if we do not give the private sector the opportunity and the enabling environment to come into the space, we cannot also end this.
The event also featured a panel discussion where stakeholders explored scalable models for plastic recovery, recycling, and public education to shift behaviors and policies. As the world intensifies efforts to beat plastic pollution, Nigeria's role in leading Africa's response could be transformative, but the real test lies not in the dialogue, but in the delivery. Will these promising partnerships translate to cleaner streets, healthier communities, and sustainable jobs? The weeks and months ahead will tell. Amma Marcus, ADBN News.